In this video, let me show you how to connect a 3.5 drive or 2.5 drive SATA or SAS drive to your iPhone or iPad, and also how to transfer files between these two things. Let's get started. So the first thing is, what do you need to do this? Well, you'll need some sort of dock that has a SATA connector if you have a SATA drive, or a SAS connector that if you have a SAS drive. And to know that, well, on the drive itself it says over here, you see SAS, or this one is a SATA drive. I know it says over here SATA, I put a sticker over it. Most drives, by the way, 99% of the drives you buy on Amazon are SATA, so you don't have to worry about this aspect, but I have to mention it. So these docks that cost around, I think, 30 bucks, and I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon. This one even has 2 slots, so you can plug 2 at the same time. Will come with a USB cable and will also need to be connected to power. Everything comes included. And if we turn them around, they will also have an on-off switch. So to make this work, you're going to take your drive and you're going to put it in this enclosure, in this dock. Okay, simply align the connectors that are right over there with the connectors that are on the drive. It's very easy. Here we go. Okay, I have connected the power cable and also the USB cable to the enclosure, and I will turn it on by pressing the on-off button. So I'll go ahead and connect the USB drive of the dock to my iPhone. You may get a message if you want to connect the dock to the iPhone. You simply have to tap on allow to allow the connection. Then go all the way towards the right side on the home screen of your iPhone, and we need to find the Files app. Tap on App Library and then type Files. Open the Files app. Tap on Browse, and if you don't see the screen, you may have an arrow on the top to click it, okay, and it will bring you over here. Under Locations, you should see your drive. This is mine, right over here. Tap on it, and right now I have access to all the files and folders that are on my drive. If you want to copy something from here to your iPhone, or from your iPhone to your drive, well, first of all, select whatever you want to copy. For example, I'm over here, I have opened a folder. I will click the 3 dots, I'll click on select, and I'll select everything I want to transfer on this iPhone. Then I'll go on the lower portion of my screen over here, and I'll click these 3 dots, and I'll select copy 2 items, or 3 items, or whatever items you have selected. Then I will use the top left arrow to go back, and I'll select on my iPhone. These are every folders, all the files that are currently on my iPhone. So what I will do now is I will select which folder I want to copy this in. And if I don't see a folder I want, I can create one by clicking the 3 dots, new folder. Let me call this delete, because I'll delete it after. Okay, it went right over here. I'll tap the folder, I'll keep press anywhere in it and select paste. And now these 2 documents that were on my hard drive have been copied on my iPhone, and they're still on my hard drive. Don't worry, they didn't got deleted. And I can do the contrary. If these files were on my iPhone, I simply have to select them, go back, copy the way I showed you. If you go back, select your drive and paste them there. At the end, you can simply disconnect from your iPhone. You don't have to eject anything. And this is about it. Don't forget to turn off this dock and wait at least 10 seconds before physically removing the drive from it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and check my Amazon links if you want to get anything that you saw in this video, so it's easier for you to shop around. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.